Welcome back to CSharp.net tutorials. I am Venkat. We are discussing about operators in C Sharp. Let us discuss about the concatenation operator in C Sharp. Let me comment the earlier code. Okay, concatenation operator. So in C Sharp, if we want to concatenate two strings, we will use plus operator. So do you remember we have used plus operator to do something else? Okay, so we have used plus operator to add the two numbers. Okay, plus is overloaded in C Sharp. So if you use this plus between numbers, it will add those two numbers. It will calculate sum of those two numbers. Similarly, if you use the same thing, string full name equal to, okay, so you can see, so here we have used plus operator, here also we have used plus operator. Okay, so here we have used between two numbers. Okay, so 10 plus 20. So if you use this with numbers, it will calculate the sum. If you use this with two strings, it will concatenate those two strings. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, if you use plus symbol with two things, I mean two strings, it will concatenate. Let us see what is the output. Console dot write line, okay, sum equal to sum. Console dot write line full name. Okay, I am printing sum and full name. And you can see we got 30 in the first case and Venkat space C in the second case. That means, so in this case it calculated sum because we have applied plus on top of numbers. Here it concatenated the three strings. We have applied plus on top of strings. That's where it concatenated. Okay. So let me show you a different example. So I want to keep this 10 inside string and this one also inside string. Okay. So here what happens? 10 plus 20 will be 30? No. This one is a string and this one is a string. It will concatenate these two strings. Okay, 10, 20 we can see in the output. So because this one is string and this one is integer, that's where we got the error. Let me put var, or string also we can keep. Okay, I'm running it. Here you can see it did not calculate the sum of two numbers. It concatenated two numbers because those two numbers are represented inside the string. Okay, so this one is as usual concatenated. Okay, so you got it right. So this difference you need to remember. So if you apply plus on top of strings, it will concatenate. If you apply that on top of numbers, it will calculate the sum. Okay, so this is concatenation operator. So we can use the short forms also. Suppose, so full name equal to this and full name. Okay, you can see that. So I'm using short form here and I want to do that again. So here I don't want to do this. I'll remove that. Okay, so like this we can use the short forms. That means, so it will add this space to the full name. After that, it will add this C to this full name. Okay. Now let us see the output. Same output we got. Okay. So this plus operator we will use to concatenate the two strings. Also there is a string library in C#, so we can concatenate using that string library also. Let me show you that. String full name equal to string dot concat Venkat space and C, not sum, right? Okay, you can see I am using string.concat method from string library and Venkat space and C. It will concatenate these three strings. Okay, now if we can run, okay, you can see the same output. Okay, this is about concatenation in C#. Okay, so you have to be careful with this expression. You might be thinking of I am doing 10 plus 20, not right. Okay, so you are doing plus on top of strings. Okay, the output will be string only. Okay, that's about concatenation. And in the next video, let us see increment and decrement operators. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. I'll try to answer ASAP. Thank you.